Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your expert advisors to your MT5 platform. Once you have your expert advisor downloaded, as you can see here, you'll then want to head over to the top left corner and click File. Under File, you want to go to Open Data Folder. You'll then want to click MQL5 and then go to Experts. This is going to give us a list of all the expert advisors that we currently have downloaded into the platform. So once you have this open, go to where you had your expert advisor downloaded to, and then simply drag and drop it into this list. I've already done that, as you can see here. So I'm just going to close this down. Once you've done that, you just want to restart the platform. You want to close it down, then open it back up. And once you've done that, your expert advisor should show up in the list here. To use it, you'll then want to just drag and drop it onto the screen and click Accept. Thanks for watching.